Traders, September 26, 2018. It's after the market close. I'm going to provide another trading report update on Creative Med Technologies, ticker symbol CELZ. Currently, what we see here, you see what happened here today? It looks like there's sell-off pressure. Now, remember I told you this downtrend is where pretty much where the stock is going to trade after she broke through this level. Been pretty much trading sideways. I thought the support here is going to pull through, but no. Continued trading above this downtrend. So what happened was this was a support trend. This failed, right? Now we're in this, X meets the mark point again right here. This is true support level. If she doesn't hold here, you got to be careful. So I want to show you this. So you see this right here. She went up, then went down, and then you see this move over here. Oh, let me show you right here. I'm trying to get the plus sign out of the way. So this was the first move. Went up, then went down. Well, went down as far as here. Started going up. I honestly think this right here is this right here. So we'll see what happens if it does bottom out. If it does bottom out, you'll see hopefully a similar trend, but a longer term. Like I said, it's more volatile. So you see the movement sharper than over here. You see these movements and these movements. I mean, percentages are probably similar as far as percentages, but sharper moves. Okay, and same thing goes upside, right? See the first round this way, and then right here went up as this high, then our resistance went back down. All right, so we'll see if this is support. Now, if she breaks under the support level, look out. All right, so we got about 0.022. Let's say I have it under 0.0228. Say 0.022. That's the number we want to look at right now for tomorrow at the open. We want to stay above those levels. And you see them right here, right? You see this is 22 right here, 0.022. Pretty much that's the low of the day. Looked like a reversal is trying to be formed on the 1 minute. It shows that it closed at 2.5 over here, but I'm looking at my last trade on my level 2, shows 0.0228. So we still have to wait and see. I think it's 0.0228, but I'm not sure, so I can't give you the exact information because it says 2.5 right here. It does look like a reversal. Remember, we want her to hold 0.022. She breaks under this low, be careful, because she broke through her support and she could head lower. So this could be very dangerous for some plays, but individuals who got in today or tomorrow, this probably was a great opportunity for you guys. I believe she's going to bounce off of here, so we have to wait and see, but I have to let you know if she does a break below the 0.022 mark, she's just going to head lower because she's following this downtrend. She broke through the first level support, and now she's at the second. So we'll see what happens moving forward. Guys, if you're in this position, learn how to take profits if you hadn't, or learn how to make sure you don't take serious losses if you don't need to, if you can get out. Follow me on Twitter @TradingTeacher, or visit my site thetradingteacher.com.